steal it away. Good hustle play. The Sacramento Kings get a play in there.
Step on Gabe Slate and then up.
Jones out of Ball State, Muncie, Indiana. He's on the floor with Jackson and Fredetta Conan. And Lee to bring it in bounds. 2:18 remaining. You're not going to guard me? Then I'll just take it.
Still kicking, trying to get in.
No help to help on that play right there. Jones said, I'll get all the way to the rim.
12-point lead for the Raptors. Weems outside, dips at the knees, elevates for three. Rebound knocked out of midair.
Get the other hand out of the...
Garrett Jones will dispatch.
Oh, there he goes.
Jimmer Fredette back to a Conan into the lane. He's fouled.
What's Isaiah Thomas at?
This kid has supreme confidence. Shooting and get to the rim. I thought he was starting.
Oh, yeah.
Big and put it on the deck and go. He's 6'11".
Oh, look at that foot go up.
Should say he's 5'11". Out of Cal State Fullerton. So Conan at the line gives the Kings a 10-point deficit here with 1:48 remaining. And DeVoe Joseph will bring it out of backcourt.